Today I show you how to make these trendy flare pants with lace-up waist. You can use the kind of fabric you prefer. In this video I used a thin elastic fabric in black. And you also need some elastic for the waist. You can use a standard leggings pattern and modify it at the waist, trying to create a V-line and flare the ankles to recreate that sort of 70s style pants. You need to double the fabric so you will have two identical front pieces and two back pieces. After you cut them, you need to baste inside out together all the four pieces, along hips and legs, and the crotch of the pants too. Try them on and see if it fits right. After all the adjustments, you can sew these parts together, obviously always inside out, and remove the basting thread. Then you need to cut a triangular piece of fabric and baste it on the back of the pants. Try them on to see the height of the waist and sew it. If you don't like this particular, just don't make the V-line on the back pattern and skip this step. After you've sewn everything, you need to refine the edges. Be careful to always use elastic stitches, linear and zigzag, because this is important to maintain the elasticity of the fabric. It's now time to put on the belt. Just cut rectangular pieces of fabric with the right measurements and keeping the V-line. Baste it on the pants, folding inside the edge of the belt, and leave a little spot that you'll need later to insert the elastic. Sew the belt and then use a safety pin to slide the elastic inside the belt. Secure it at the pants in the only part the belt is still open, and after that, sew it close. Last things to do are the lace-ups. You just need to cut two long stripes of fabric, fold them in two, always inside out, sew them and then reverse them. To do this, you need to leave one of the two edges in both lace-ups not sewn. You will sew them directly on the pants in the center, and be careful to sew on the same line of the belt seam. And that's it, it's really simple and the results are so good. You can wear them really high thanks to the V-line, or you can also wear them as a normal waist, it's totally your choice. These pants are really flattering and surely a confidence boost. Hope you like it and find it helpful. See you at the next sewing project. Bye!